Hey everyone, welcome back to Rich Vault, your blueprint for building real wealth without the hype or nonsense. Today, we're diving into a topic that gets thrown around everywhere but is rarely delivered honestly: passive income. But let's be real. Most of what you see on YouTube about passive income is just recycled garbage. Write an ebook, sell a course, start a blog. Everyone knows those. Everyone's already tried those or is sick of hearing them. So let's do something different. Today, I'm going to share 5 under-the-radar income streams for 2025 that beginners can actually start and more advanced people can scale. These are methods that work anywhere in the world. No one should feel left out because they don't live in the right country. No experience? You can still do this. So grab a coffee or tea, settle in, and let's explore real strategies that can help you build actual income, not just dreams. Number 1. Selling data sets and tiny data products. This one sounds technical, but it's surprisingly accessible. Most people think data means you need to be an engineer or a coder. You don't. Businesses, researchers, app developers, marketers, and even AI companies pay real money for organized, structured data they can use right away. You can sell something as simple as a CSV file listing local real estate prices, grocery costs in your city, wedding venues in your region, or even survey results from your community. There's real demand for local data that's hard to find online, especially in developing countries. I've seen people on Gumroad and other marketplaces making $50 to $500 a month on a single CSV they built once. This is digital, meaning no inventory, no shipping, and no border limitations. And with free tools like Google Sheets or even ChatGPT to help you format or organize the data, it's easier than ever. You're not selling your soul or spamming people. You're organizing information they genuinely want, and you get paid over and over. If you're finding this interesting so far, smash that like button and subscribe, because I'm sharing things here that people usually hide behind expensive courses. Number 2. Renting out your existing stuff. Digitally, when people hear renting, they think Airbnb or buying extra properties. But let's think smaller and smarter. You don't need a vacation house. You need things you already own. You can rent out your driveway or parking spot on local apps. You can rent photography gear, kitchen equipment, power tools, bikes, or even costumes. You're monetizing things sitting in your house gathering dust. It's genuinely passive once listed, especially if you use rental platforms that automate bookings and payments. For example, I know someone who rents out a single camera lens and covers half their rent every month. Another friend rents out their driveway during sports events. And you can go even further by creating a Google business profile so you show up in local search. It's a way to earn money from stuff you already own with almost zero new cost. Plus, it's sustainable. Less waste. Less buying new. Number 3. Silent seller services on marketplaces. This one is for people who want online income but don't want to be influencers or put their face everywhere. Silent selling is offering simple, repeatable services on Fiverr, Upwork, or local classifieds while automating or outsourcing most of the work. For example, you can offer to remove backgrounds from photos using free AI tools. You can transcribe audio using Whisper. You can convert PDFs to Word in seconds. You don't do hours of work. You set up a service that runs on tools or affordable freelancers. You get the order, fulfill it quickly, and keep the markup. What's brilliant is this builds passive income over time. As you gain reviews, you get more organic traffic and repeat buyers. You can save templates. Automate messaging. And let's be real. Some of these tiny services earn people $500 to $2,000 a month with just a few hours of work a week. If you want real beginner-friendly ideas that don't involve dancing on TikTok, this is one you can start today. Number 4. Licensing your unique local knowledge. This one is seriously underrated and it works no matter where you live. You know things about your country, city, or neighborhood that others don't. That's valuable. For example, you can sell local travel itineraries. You can create neighborhood guides for digital nomads or expats. You can share cultural insights, food recommendations, or hidden gems. You can license this knowledge by selling guides on Etsy or Gumroad, selling data to bloggers, providing local photos to stock sites, or even offering experiences on Airbnb. People think their town is too boring, but tourists don't see it that way. Your daily life is someone else's dream vacation. You just need to package it in a way they can access and pay for. This is one of the most accessible passive income streams worldwide because you don't need advanced tech or fancy branding. You just need to share what you know. If you're enjoying these ideas so far and actually finding them useful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and means I can keep bringing you more practical wealth building strategies without the sugarcoating. Number 5. Building AI-powered microtools with no-code platform. I know, the word AI makes people panic. But this is not about writing code from scratch. 2025 is the year AI becomes accessible to everyone. You can use no-code tools to build simple AI-powered utilities that solve real problems. For example, you can create a Notion template that integrates AI prompts for planning, a Google Sheet that summarizes content automatically, or a website that generates legal contract summaries. You don't have to be a coder. Tools like Glide, Notion AI, Zapier, and ChatGPT make it drag and drop easy. Once you build it, you can sell access on Gumroad, Ko-Fi, or even as a paid SaaS subscription. Or you can give it away for free and use it as a lead magnet for higher-priced services. This is advanced but still beginner-friendly because you can start with free templates and learn as you go. And best of all, this is a worldwide friendly opportunity. AI is language agnostic, so you can build tools for local markets that big companies ignore. Bonus idea. Become a local digital ad broker. Let's add one more for the people ready to hustle. Every local business wants Facebook ads, but most owners don't have time to learn the ads manager. You can become the go-to local ads broker. You offer simple ad setup for a flat fee, learn basic targeting online for free, and even outsource ad graphics to Canva or Fiverr. You keep the markup. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be better than the local pizza shop owner who's too busy making pizzas to run campaigns. And this works anywhere in the world because local businesses exist everywhere. Final thoughts: passive income isn't magic. It takes upfront work, creativity, and consistency. But the whole point is you do the work once or set up a system and then get paid over and over. Forget the same old, write an ebook, or start a blog, advice. If you want to stand out and actually make money in 2025, focus on what's under the radar and uniquely you. Sell datasets. Rent your stuff. Offer silent services. License your local knowledge. Build simple AI tools. These are real, accessible, and scalable ideas. If you want more real talk about building wealth without the nonsense, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Rich Vault right now. Drop a comment below with which of these you're going to try. I read every single one and I'd love to hear your plan. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay creative, and keep building your own blueprint for wealth. I'll see you in the next one.